Land surveyors are essential to the growth of infrastructure and building projects in Bangalore, a city that is expanding quickly. The thriving neighborhood of Neelasandra in Bangalore is no exception. One such business that offers top-notch land surveying services in Neelasandra and has a reputation for accuracy and precision is Scon Design Pvt Ltd. Topographical surveys, boundary surveys, cadastral surveys, and other land surveying services are all provided by the reputable organization Scon Design Pvt Ltd. They have a group of skilled land surveyors who work with the most recent tools and technology to deliver precise measurements and data. The business is renowned for its professionalism, attention to detail, and on-time project execution. Due to the increased demand for both residential and commercial development in Neelasandra, it is essential to have reputable land surveyors that can guarantee the precision of measurements and borders. Scon Design Pvt Ltd. has assisted various